Hello, hi. Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Geeta Jayanti, consultant in obstetrics and gynecology, Ankura Hospitals, Banjara Hills, and I'm available in Gachibowli branch also. Today, I'm going to give you a brief talk about cervical cancer vaccinations. Cervical cancers are caused by human papilloma virus. This is one of the commonest sexually transmitted infection. There are several types of HPV that affects the different parts of the body. In those 14 types are the high risk. Is HPV common in India? Yes. Every 9 minutes, one woman loses her battle to cervical cancers. Every year, 1,25,000 cases are reporting in about 75,000 deaths are happening in India. What disease caused by HPV? Yes, some HPV types can cause cervical cancers, vaginal cancers, vulval cancers, anal cancers. Is my daughter really at risk of HPV? Yes, HPV is the most common viral infection that affects the reproductive tract. This HPV infection in women can cause HPV related diseases like genital warts and cervical cancer. So, getting vaccinated and getting screened for cervical cancers through pap smear is very, very important. So, what are the vaccines that are available in India right now is Cervarix and Gardasil. According to the strains, there are 4 strain and 9 strain is also available. So, what are the doses? So, how you will give the vaccination? So, if your daughter is 9 to 12, 13 years, you can give you 2 doses and 0 dose, and after 6 months, you can give the second dose. If your daughter is more than 14 years, you can give you 3 doses, 0 dose, after 2 months, and 6 months of the first dose will be the third dose you can give. So, what are the side effects? The side effects are very, very minimal, and you'll have mild fever, pain, redness and swelling, and it will go away in 2 to 3 days. 3 days it will go off. Any woman in her reproductive life, she can take cervical vaccinations. Even she can take after marriage, even after a pregnancy and during lactation also. Any time before 45 years, she can take cervical vaccination. And cervical cancer can be prevented with cervical vaccination. Cervical cancer is a vaccine preventable disease. So please come down to the hospital. You can, if you have any queries, you can talk to me and clear your doubts and get vaccination. Thank you.